Hello again, Honestgbfan at the Panther Valley Railroad. I saw something a while back that I wanted to try, and I used different methods for doing it. But what it was that I believe the channel is Marklin of Sweden. If you haven't seen it, give it a shot. They have a different way of doing things there because resources are different and the cost of things are different, so they use a lot of different items to make things and can save you a lot of money. Anyways, what I'm showing you here is just a piece of, it's not going to focus very well. Anyways, what I did was, here, let me use this. I made some corrugated metal. Hopefully it's showing up there on the camera. You can use this with batten and board or anything else. All you have to do is buy the plastic sheet you're going to use. I happen to have one here that I'm making some more stuff on. And basically, all you do is use some Elmer's glue and just spread it around. I used different methods to create it. I don't know if you can see this or not. Maybe if I put something behind it, but you can see the corrugation there and the different glues. One, I believe it was this one, is the straight crafts bond. This one over here is the tacky glue, and a little bit thinned out. I just made a video showing how I was doing some farmland, a farm field, and that's what I used, was the thinned out tacky glue. It's not real thin, it's just a little bit. And then this, I used some thinned out Elmer's glue. The craft glue thinned out a little bit more. And on this, you can see the corrugation there, how it comes out. And all I did was just spread it out on the board, let it dry, and of course I mentioned in the earlier video that some of the blended turf stuck to this because of the static electricity, but this is how easy it is. You just let it dry, peel it off, and that's it. You have it. Like I said, I'm not sure if this is going to stand out or not to show you the corrugation, unless I put something behind it, perhaps. There you go. You can see it there. At least I can on my tablet. Hopefully you can too on the video. But basically, because it's a water-based glue, I didn't want to use water-based acrylic. So I just spray painted it with a can of metallic aluminum, and this is what it came out as. It was really cheap to make, real easy to make, and you can make it in different thicknesses. It's flexible. One good thing about it, you want to make a corrugated water tank or something. There you go. It comes out like that. You can see it there. You can cut it to the size you need. And for pennies, I was able to make, several sheets of this stuff. And like I said, you just peel it off. I don't know if you can see it on there or not, but I've still got half a sheet to go. This came off pretty easily. Let me set it down here. Maybe it'll focus better on it. And you can see the corrugation. There it is. But like I said, all I did was spray paint it with some metallic aluminum, and you can use whatever color you want. And if you're using board and batten for wood or whatever, you can use a different color. But like I said, I haven't tried water-based acrylics to paint it because, being a water-based glue, I was afraid it would dissolve it a little bit. But you just use more of the glue to glue it to whatever it is that you're going to use. So far I've used this on balsa and other objects, wooden objects for the most part, and it's turned out really well. Instead of spending a lot of money for the plastic sheets and still having to paint it anyways, I just use the one plastic sheet over and over and over again. I've done this many times now, and it's worked out pretty well for my purposes. And if you want to try it, go ahead. It's, like I said, it's cheap to make. This is a little bit thicker than this one here, but like I said, all I have to do now is cut it to what I want, or paint it first, then cut it, and I think it turns out pretty good. I'm not quite sure how this is showing up on the video, but hopefully you can see the corrugation there, and it's pretty good. So anyways, thanks a lot. Just another cheap idea. Marklin of Sweden was the channel, and give a shout out to them because the guy that does that. I'm not sure what his name is, but it's a great channel. It shows you all kinds of ways to save money doing things differently. And he's pretty good, as the others are, here. It's also kind of neat to see the different model railroads they have in Europe. There was one who was showing some Russian locomotives, and they're different looking than the English and even the Swedish locomotives. But anyways, you have a great day. Hope you like the idea. Give me a like, subscribe, and you have a good one. Honestgbfan signing out from the Panther Valley Railroad. You have a great day. Thank you. Bye.